we specialize in automation, whether it's standard or custom. I personally work on the custom team where I will work directly with customers with other teams such as the controls team, design team, and electrical team to understand the customer's needs and come up with a solution that works best for them. We will work directly with customers and we will build the projects on the floor here. The customer will come in and see it, and we can get kind of personal with them, and we can see what they want, and if they want anything changed, we can do that for them. And then we will ship it to their facility once they are happy with the final product and build it there, train them on it, and support them in any way that they might need. We will always be training the customer on the cell that we give them and make sure that they are comfortable with it. Where they might be used to just programming G-code on machines, they now have this device that loads and unloads the machines for them that they don't really know anything about. And it's set up in such a way that they can easily teach points for different parts or edit the program if they need to. This is something we train them on, and we train multiple operators, managers, and anybody that feels the need to understand the cell that they're getting. We'll make sure that they're comfortable with it and can run it without us.